How to watch NBA games on Disney Plus. First of all, check if NBA content is available on Disney Plus. While Disney Plus primarily offers movies and TV shows, it occasionally features sports, documentaries, and specials related to the NBA. Disney Plus is part of a bundle with ESPN Plus, which offers live NBA games and sports coverage. Consider subscribing to the Disney Plus, ESPN Plus, and Hulu bundle for comprehensive sports access. Once subscribed, access ESPN Plus through the Disney Plus app or website. Navigate to the sports section to find live NBA games and highlights. So, this is how to watch NBA games on Disney Plus.